Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a revision cloud in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to highlight specific areas in a PDF document for review or collaboration, making it easy for others to see exactly what needs attention. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to draw the revision cloud. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now, look over to the left toolbar, you'll see various drawing tools available. Click on the Draw Freehand icon, and from the options that appear, select Cloud. This activates the Revision Cloud tool, which creates that distinctive scalloped border that's perfect for marking up documents. Before you start drawing, you might want to customize the appearance of your cloud. In the left toolbar, click the color picker to select your preferred color. This helps differentiate your markups from others or simply makes them stand out more clearly on the page. You can also adjust the line thickness to suit your needs. Click the Change Line Thickness icon and use the slider that appears to adjust the weight of your cloud's outline. This gives you control over how prominent or subtle you want your markup to be. Now you're ready to create your revision cloud. Simply drag your mouse to draw the outline around the area you want to emphasize. The cloud shape will automatically form as you move your cursor, creating that characteristic bumpy border. Once you've enclosed the area, release the mouse button to finish the cloud. The shape will complete itself, giving you a clean, professional-looking markup. If you want to add context to your revision cloud with a comment, here's how. In the left toolbar, click the Select Text icon, then double-click on the cloud you just created. This opens up a comment panel on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you can type your comment in the field provided, explaining what needs to be changed or reviewed in that area. Once you've written your comment, click Post to add it to the document. Finally, don't forget to save your work. In the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all your markups and comments, and there you have it. You've successfully added a revision cloud to your PDF document, making it easy to communicate exactly what needs attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.